Okay, this question is actually under current electricity. Now the subtopic is multiplier. It is a physics question. Let's look at the question very well. Then you know my pattern. While reading the question, I will be interpreting as well. So let me write solution. Let's look at it. A moving coil meter with an internal resistance of 100 ohms. Now you have been given the internal resistance to be 100 ohms. Okay. Now this internal resistance is called the resistance of the galvanometer. It is called the resistance of the galvanometer. So I'm going to write my resistance of the galvanometer. Do you see it? This R stands for the resistance, then G stands for the galvanometer. So I call it the resistance of the galvanometer. Is given to be 100 ohms. Has a full scale deflection when a current of 10 milliampere. Okay. Now, you have been given the current. Remember, in multiplier, the same current moves through, or the same current flows through the multiplier and the galvanometer. So you have been given the current to be 10 milliampere. So now convert this 10 milliampere to ampere, because the SI unit of current is ampere. If you do this, so it's the same thing like dividing the 10 by 1000. You have done the conversion. So the answer now will be 0.01 ampere. The next thing is move through it. Okay, what value of resistance will convert it to read 10 full? Now, what value of resistance will convert it to read 10 fulls? Now, calm down. In multiplier is used to convert the galvanometer reading to a full, to fulls, or to full meter reading. So whenever you see the word convert it to fulls, yes, when you see converting from galvanometer, which I told you the resistance of galvanometer, when you convert something from galvanometer to fulls, you understand me? That is multiplier. So when they're asking what value of resistance, multiplier is actually a resistance. Okay, multiplier is a high resistance, so it's a resistance. So what value of resistance will convert it to fulls? When they say full, that means it is multiplier. But when they say what value of galvanometer will convert it to ammeter, or current, that one is shunt. But since it is converting to fulls, it is multiplier. So in that case, they are asking you what is the multiplier. M stands for multiplier. So to read 10 fulls, so you have been given the fulls to be 10. Simple. So using the formula, I like using formula to make my work simpler. Using the formula. So the formula in this case is multiplier equal to fulls divided by current, or rather fulls divided by current minus the resistance of the galvanometer. If you do this, what is fulls? Fulls is 10. 10 divided by, what is my current? Current is 0.01 minus, what is my resistance of the galvanometer? Is 100. So if you divide 10 by 0.01, it will give you 1000 minus 100. So if you subtract 100 from 1000, it's going to be 900. Now multiplier, I told you that multiplier is a resistance, high resistance. So the unit for resistance is ohms. So this is how it is done. Very simple, right? Very simple. So very simple. Share the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Then follow up the YouTube channel I will be solving everything you need. Do well to send your questions if you have any difficult question in physics and chemistry, okay? I will be here to help you. I remain your humble physician.